This is part 2 of creating your helmet. I'm just going in and healing the surfaces. For this lesson, we're going to learn how to smooth the edges and create some horns for the top of the helmet. What you're going to do is make sure that you have every piece selected, right click and go to Smooth and Soften. And you'll notice over here you can click on this option and look how it changes the dimensions of the helmet. So it makes it look as though it was made of real metal. Dragging the indicator helps smooth the edges out even more. And when you triple click on it, you can still see the different shapes that created the helmet. So I'm going to take it out of the smooth and soften, and I'm going to create my horns. I decided to use a trapezoid for this one. You can use a cylinder. The whole idea is to create different sections. So as you pull it up, make sure you press your control button to create the different sections so you can resize and move different parts if you want to change it into an angle. And that's how you'll do your horns for your helmet.